Hey Hooper, grab your hoop. Welcome to day 1 of 30 days in flow. The 4 moves that we are going to be putting into a flow session today are a body wrap, crotch trap, escalator, and barrel roll. That may mean nothing to you, or you may have several variations for each of those tricks. I'm going to break down a flow session, so follow along with me, and then we're going to layer on the technique today. The theme is arrive. So after learning this flow session, there will also be some time for integration and play. So grab your hoop and let's get started. So we're beginning with a body wrap. I'm going to be using my right hand. A body wrap looks like this all the way around. It may also, to you, look like a booty wrap or some other variation, so be as creative as you like. To break it down, I'm using my right wrist to come over to my left shoulder, and I don't want to take the hoop too high or too low. If you already know how to do a body wrap, you can be practicing in both directions, either hand. You can do a body wrap by standing still, letting the hoop go. If it's catching on your shoulder, make sure that your shoulder is not coming up too high or dropping down too low. Or you can do a 360 body wrap where you take the hoop around with you. So if you let go with your right hand, you catch with your right hand. Give it a go. And then we go into a crotch trap. Because I caught it in my right hand, I'm going to stick with that. And so for me, I use knuckles up on my right hand, and I like to step through with my right leg, head, and left arm. Then I'm going to step down, and this is where we do the crotch trap. So the hoop is in between my thighs. To let go with my right hand, I'm going to kick my left heel up to my booty, and the hoop's going to swing around in front, because there will be some tension there. So step through, step down, kick your back heel to your booty, and let go with your holding hand at the same time, and then get ready to catch. If it gets caught on your heel, no problem. Give it a few more goes. And now the next trick was to do an escalator. Your hoop should be free of your body. So if you know how to do any escalator variation, you can go into that. I'm going to do a reverse escalator if you want to come along with me. If there are tricks in any of these flow sessions that you are not familiar with, I'm going to leave as many tutorials as I can down and around so that you can relate to them and come back to this flow session at any time. And if you're a total beginner and you have not done my 28-day Hooper starter pack, that's where you're going to learn it all, get really solid foundations. But let's keep going, because we're in our right hand, and I am going to do a reverse hip hop escalator for this variation. So hinging the right hand, right side hoop back, touching on the left side, and of course you can mirror this. Knee comes up, hoop drops down in front, and I'm going to swing my knee across to bring the hoop back to my right hand again. So swing back, hip, knee across, and I step out with my left. Of course, you can also do this on your right side. Swing the hoop across and step down. So finding those contact points will help. And now, after we do that, our 4th trick for today, and each day we're going to play with 4, 6, maybe 8 tricks to put into a flow session. Of course, you can link them all together. The next one is a barrel roll, and a barrel roll can be a whole bunch of things. It could be on body or off body, but I'm going to go with on body today. And this is what it looks like. But we need to transition from a reverse escalator, step back, hold the frame, reposition your hands on the inside, and then drive in whatever direction you want. Now, to get a nice, neat hold and swirl with these barrel rolls, I recommend, if you're starting out, that you open up through your heart, your chest, let your elbows drop a little bit, and bring the hoop towards the front of your belly, the side of your hip, your lower back, your opposite side, and then back. And that's going to stop the hoop from going all over. So it's going to stay in that isolated position. Okay, let's roll this through. So again, body wrap, crotch trap, heel up, reverse escalator, step back, reposition the hands, and isolation barrel roll. I'm going to go through that 2 more times, and then we're going to pop on some music and you get to play, enjoy. So, body wrap, turning or not turning, crotch trap, step through, reverse escalator or your own variation, hands on the inside, isolation barrel roll, body wrap, crotch trap, escalator, hip hop down, isolation barrel roll. Now let's layer on the technique of arrive, landing here in this space in your body with your hoop, with this combination of tricks or multiple variations. You can play this over and over again, this 4-trick sequence over and over. Each time you might find that a new variation comes through. Just allow yourself to arrive, to land here in this space. Yourself extra time as needed, going to check out the playlist and any of the other prompts, spending more moments, more flow time, arriving, landing here on day 1, breathless, joyful, happy. Each day there's going to be a new randomly selected flow session for you to learn. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on day 2.